Hello, honors physicist. It's been a really long time. I first want to say that I hope you and your families are safe and healthy. I know this virus is spreading across the country pretty quickly. Hopefully you're staying at home and avoiding it the best you can. Personally, I feel very fortunate. I'm healthy. My wife, my kids are healthy. We might, I'm able to work from home as we're about to find out tomorrow. My wife has worked from home as well. My kids, they're doing some school work. It's an interesting time, but we're getting through it. So I hope, again, that you and your families are healthy and doing well as well. So I want to take a couple minutes here just to talk about this week. So tomorrow we're starting this e-learning, and I hope it's as exciting as it sounds. Most of this is going to be new to all of us pretty much. I'm using some technology that I've never used before. I've made a couple videos similar to this, but I hope to do a little bit more with technology to help get us through this material. We could be in this for quite a while. I mean, it's potential. This could go to the end of the school year. No, I don't know any information. I'm sure whenever I find out, you're going to know as well. So for at least the near future, this is how things are going to be operating. I ask you to please be patient with me as I'm learning this technology. I think I can do these screencast-o-matic videos fairly well and post them to YouTube. Beyond that, we'll see. And I'm also going to be patient with you guys. It's new to all of us. I really have no idea what's going on in your lives. Again, I hope you're well and you're just hunkered down and waiting this out. But I know some of you may be taking on extra responsibilities in that. So we've been told, and I would do this anyway, the expectations are going to be lower than if we were actually in school. We're going to do what we can to get through the material. We're going to try to learn as much physics as we can, but if we need to reel it back in, we're going to take whatever time we need to make sure that we're taking care of the things we need to take care of. So with this technology, I've got my Canvas page open right now, as you can see. So up until this point, I've primarily just used the calendar, and you guys are familiar with this. You can go on the calendar, you're going to see all my stuff here. You would just see the things for honors physics and I guess all your other classes. So that's going to change a little bit. One thing, you may have actually gotten an email. Wait, how do I? Oh, courses. That I started a discussion in honors physics. So go to discussions. I've never used this before. We're going to see how it goes. We're going to still plan on having a test this Friday on the material that we were just working through. This includes electric potential energy, current resistance circuits, all that kind of thing. So we're going to take the next 3 days to review that, and hopefully by Friday we'll be ready for that. So right here in the discussions, I hope you can all see this. This is a place where you guys can post questions. I'll answer them. If you see a question that you can answer, feel free to chime in as well. 24 hours a day, you can post your questions here as they come up. Also, Friday, the test. It will be in Canvas. So it will be, if you go into quizzes here, oh, these are fake. Don't worry about these. I guess you won't be able to see them anyway, but I'll get the real one in there. We'll talk about the format of that another time, but right now it's looking like 20 multiple choice questions. It should be fairly straightforward, I hope. What else? Maybe that's all I'm doing in here. We're going to try to do a Zoom. I've never done a Zoom before, but actually Mr. Kolkowski and I just tried one this afternoon, so I think I know how it works. You guys probably have more experience than I do on that, but we're going to give that a shot. So the breakdown here, and I'll put this in writing as well, is tomorrow we're going to look at some voltage, electric potential energy things we haven't looked at in a few weeks. I was holding on to that material until we were going to review for the test. Well, here we are. Wednesday, we're going to look more at current resistance circuit kind of thing. And then Thursday, I hope to have a live Zoom and we can talk about more specific questions that you guys have. Please, try to log into that if you can. I will also record it if I remember how to do that and post that to YouTube. If you're not able to make it. So, but try to make it. We'll answer any questions. I'll go through, the equation sheet, what the equations mean, and kind of give you an idea of what all to expect on the test, which again will be Friday. Okay, so that's about it for now. I'll shoot an email out in the morning with the work for Tuesday, but just I just gave you a heads up on what that's going to be. It's going to be watching a couple review videos, working on Wiley Plus. Yes, that's still due. I changed that due date to Thursday night, so we've got a few days for that, and you've already started on it already, right? Because that was assigned, a couple weeks before we went on this break. So anyway, please let me know if anything's going on that you cannot get work done. Otherwise, I'm going to expect you to get work done. We're gonna make this as productive as we can, but like I said, it's going to be a challenge. It's new to all of us, so we'll kind of feel our way through it and see how things go. But please let me know if there are things going on that I need to know about, and we will figure things out together. Okay, I look forward to this, and look for an email from me tomorrow with kind of the day's plan, and please don't hesitate to shoot me an email with any questions, any content questions. Let's work with that discussion site on Canvas, just so everybody can see the questions, and then we'll go from there. All right, take care. We'll see you later. Oh, wash your hands.